How to form a negative sentence for all 12 tenses. In English, to form a negative sentence, we simply add not to the auxiliary verb or the modal verb. The specific auxiliary or modal verb used depends on the tense we are using. Here they are. Present simple. When the verb is be, just add not to it.
Am not, is not or isn't, are not or aren't. Example, I am not a teacher. When the verb is not be, use do or does and add not to it. Do not or don't, does not or doesn't. Example, I don't drink wine.
Present continuous. Place not between the verb be and present participle. Example, I am not teaching at the moment. Present perfect simple.
Add not to the verb have or has. Have not haven't done. Has not hasn't done. Example, I haven't cooked dinner yet.
Present perfect continuous.
Add not to the verb have or has. Example, I haven't been exercising a lot lately.
Past simple. Place not to the verb did. Did not, didn't do. Example, I didn't sleep last night.
If there is a verb be, add not to it.
Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Example, I wasn't at home last night. Past continuous. Place not between be and present participle. Example, I wasn't cooking when you called. Past perfect. Place not between had and past participle. Had not done, or hadn't done.
Example, she had not gone.
Past perfect continuous. Place not between had and been.
Example, we hadn't been waiting long when you arrived.
Future simple.
Add not to the modal verb will not do or won't do. Example, John won't come here tomorrow.
Future continuous.
Place not between will and be. Example, he won't be working tomorrow.
Future perfect. Example, I won't have finished cooking by 8 o'clock. Future perfect continuous. Place not between will and have. Example, I won't have been working here for 2 years next year.